So, in yesterday's video, we had time management and backpacks. It's actually uploading right now. But what we were going to put in this video was really funny, but all the footage had gotten deleted. We had went to a thrift shop. We were just going to see if we could find some funny costumes or anything funny that we would just wear. And it turns out there was nothing. There was a purple suit that he tried on, which was kind of funny, in like red sweatpants. It was great. But either way, we decided not to get anything there. But then, once we were walking out, he saw a skirt. And he just had to have it.
It was only $2. $1.99.
It was a $2 skirt. He just had to have. So he bought it.
And I wore it around Walmart.
And then we went to Walmart. And he wore it around standing next to me for a good hour.
Over my sweatpants, by the way.
He really loves his backpack, so he wears it all the time with nothing in it. Okay, so Buddy just told me to bring the camera and head over to his house. Not 100% what's going to happen here, but we'll see. Bye! She's gonna back that up so I can leave. Come on. There we go. Good job. A new driver. Whoa! Look at Buddy parking on the wrong side of the street. Buddy! The door wasn't locked. Hope he's open. Ooh. I found him.
Pull your finger over the microphone. There you go.
Okay. He told me his room was clean. So first, like, I come in and look at this mess. Like, why? Look at this. I mean, come on. Can we take this with? Aww. I think we said this, but we are going to, we're test driving his new car.
Okay. So, if you can even hear my voice right now over this really loud vibration. She said it needs an alignment. I think that's correct. But she said this like humming noise, like when you accelerate, there's like a huge humming noise because of the alignment. I don't know if that's correct. It sounds like something a little bit more serious. Listen. Anyway, she said there was a vibration. No. Here. Maybe it's a backflow.
It's red.
What the?
Sounds like we're taking off. Look at this! That's totally secure.
Okay,
I love when this dude buys cars. It's so funny. Because what he does is he says he doesn't think it's gonna work out. And then 2 days later, he'll go with someone else and he'll buy it.
that happened one time.
And then, a couple days later, the car won't work.
That happened one time.
Now your actual opinion on this car?
It would be fine if it didn't shake and sound like a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. That's the word. I mean, it drives okay. It's just not. No, I'm not gonna ride this car.
Okay, we're back in our car. Why are you doing that? It's like 20 degrees outside. The sun is in my eyes. Can we close that?
What should we do now?
Can we close the sunroof? Okay. Well, I was hoping he would just straight up buy it because I think that would have been hilarious.
I didn't even bring money.
But he didn't want to, so I don't know. We'll see what we do now for the rest of the vlog.
A little bit of time. Well, we're now back at square one.
Do you like cupcakes? encountered another problem today. Trying to set up our tripod and stuff, and it turns out the back leg kind of broke.
He broke it.
I didn't do it. It just broke.
Well, I was moving it. I just threw it on the ground.
Is that just a chip drawer or what?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Well, let's get a new tripod. Sad face. It's really dark in here, sorry.
This person cannot be reached at the moment. Please leave a message after the tone. After you leave a message, you can modify it by pressing pound.
Asian, I have an offer that you can't refuse. Call me back. Hello?
What?
Hey,
Did you get my message?
did you get my message?
Yeah, call you back.
Yeah, I have an offer for you.
What?
$700 cash in hand for your Malibu.
No.
Why?
Why you don't know Malibu?
Because I want a car. I need a car.
Why, was that?
1,000. I think.
No, I mean, I need my car still. I'm costing $700 isn't worth it. So,
You have a-
I mean, unless you come with more cash, then it's a no-go.
$701.
No, I'll pass, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mentioned now this was a good deal for you.
No, it's not. I can scrap it out for $500. So why the heck would I sell it to you for $700?
Because you need money.
Why not? I'm actually trying.
Well, I just thought I'd ask, so.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Uh-huh. No. Get out of here. No. No. Not really. I know, right?
If you're older than me, you should.
I should. Or I could be pulling your leg.
You probably are.
Maybe.
Bye.
See ya.
I texted a guy about a 99 silver Accord.
That's not gonna work. He's running back to the house because he forgot something.
420?
He's got 10 minutes to get to work, and he's still out. There he is. You wanted me to watch him try to get up this hill because his car is apparently so bad he can't make it up the hill. We'll find out. He's making it up just fine. He doesn't need a new car. Silly.